Hello, Tiffany here with Cards Crafty Creations. Today's project is kind of a special project. Actually, today is a special day in many different ways, but this stamp set here is with Pajama Crafter's, we're in May, yeah, May release, and that stamp set is actually releasing today along with a couple of other fun stamp sets that you can check out on their website, on Facebook or Instagram, because there is an actual new release hop going on today with the new stamp sets. One's got some really fun, beautiful fish. One is called All American Girl, and it's like a girl wearing a flag, probably getting ready for our, Memorial Day, our 4th of July, all of that kind of stuff. And they have some fun buttons and some other things that are coming out in the release today. But what makes today special is that this stamp set was actually designed by my husband. So he's the guy you see in my intro, but he is also very artistic as well as myself, but he does more drawing where I do more like scrapbooking, paper crafting, stuff like that. But even years ago, he has always drawn. And several years ago when I kind of got into coloring, I want to say this was probably back in, 2009 to 2013 or so. And he would draw bizarre artwork or fun artwork or just his quirky mind artwork, and I would color it. So when I started working with Pajama Crafter Stamp, I thought, oh, well, maybe, if you'd like some more artwork, maybe Aaron can design a stamp for you. So before I even really mentioned it to Joy, the owner, Aaron had already been working on this concept art. I don't know why. He just randomly thinks of things and draws them. And so when I said, hey, did you want to design a stamp set for Pajama? He actually had this kind of created already. So it was really fun to watch how you transformed his actual completed artwork into a stamp set. So that was kind of interesting and fun to watch. So that's why this is kind of a special video stamp set and day. So anyways, I wanted to create a scene because that was part of for the release, we wanted to do scene building with these stamp sets. And so I'm trying to make kind of a little diorama box, very small. And I'm using Pajama Crafter's Savannah Neutrals pattern paper to do the sky, which I'm doing something a little bit out of my element. I don't normally use stencils, but I wanted to make the scene myself since we were kind of, tasked or challenged or think outside the box and do a scene building. So I used pattern paper. I pulled stencils out from my stash, and then I actually created this stencil because I didn't have a grass stencil. So I got my die that was a grass die, and I have some stencil material because I have it for my Cricut to make my own stencils. And so I just used my die cut and cut it on the stencil material, and now I have my own grass stencil. So that's something like that I've never even considered doing, but I think it's a kind of a neat idea. I think it has to be kind of a specific stencil because I tried to do it out of I think to do like a filigree or something, and it just couldn't get it to cut. So that I needed to mess with like maybe shimming it to get it to cut through. So anyways, I thought that was a neat idea. Something kind of unlocked a new thing I could do to create my own stencils with my dies. So anyway, I did color this stamp set with Copic markers. And what was nice about using the Copic markers to color this set was that you could do different things with it. So I colored the Bog Frog is what the stamp set is actually called. I colored the Bog Frog with the Copic markers, and then I used the colorless blender to put spots on him, because frogs do have spots on them. And then I use like a marker and a white gel pen, all the kind of normal things, to create the additional textures and colors onto him. So I'm pretty much just going to use my normal things to create this scene. I have some moss from my stash. I had a wood piece, but I didn't actually use it. It's a little bit too big for this scene, and so I don't use that. And then I remember, and I can't believe I didn't think of this, but I had done a diorama in a lantern over Christmas break for a friend's present, and I used my stained glass to create water. So I'm kind of bummed that I didn't throw in a piece of blue stained glass to create the bog area of this scene, but that just leaves, you know, potential for me to do another project with it. But I'm going to add in the stamped elements, and I did use foam tape on here just to get him a little bit off of the background, and so I could tuck the umbrella in there. Now he is drinking a cup of something, and our natural inclination would think it was a cup of coffee, but for my Bog Frog, he's actually drinking some bog tea, and so his is actually a teacup with tea in it. So that is why he has his cup of tea. And then we have the umbrella that he's sitting under because he can't get, you know, too hot out there. And then we have the fun in the sun. The stamp set comes with the sun, and then it has different sentiments that you could stamp on the sun. It has also a little plaque. You could put the stamp sentiment into the plaque. So it's just got a lot of opportunities. He also has, which I don't recall putting it in this one, but I did put it on a card I made, which you can go over to Instagram, and Pajama Crafters is doing a Instagram hop, and I'll have some projects on there under myself, and then there's several team members that have their own projects using this release too. So there is going to be more than ample inspiration out there for all of these stamp sets. So he's got the umbrella. He has even like a lunch basket for him doing a little picnic out in the bog or the pond, whatever you want to put him in. And then I got some mushrooms from my stash. These are just, I think, from Michael's. And then I'm going to bring in some, I did have some grass from like a miniature set for scene building, so I add those in there. And then I just cut up a little flower to add some flowers in there. So I add a whole lot of different textures. You got the paper, you got the moss, you got the flowers, all that kind of stuff. And then in that little bag there, that is also part of the release that you can get on their website, and it is little ladybugs. And they are stickers, like they have a little foam piece on the back, or you can glue them down however you want to, but they have ladybugs and little bees. So I thought that would be really fun to add a little ladybug to the scene, because, you know, ladybugs are out in nature, and they're probably by bogs also. So I thought that was just kind of a fun little additive. You'll see here in just a minute when I add that, but I wanted to add a few flowers. I brought purple in to match his purple flower teacup, and so just kind of tying all of the colors together. So this is pretty much my project using his stamp set that he designed, so it's very special and it's really fun to see people create with it. So check it out. Please go over to Facebook and Instagram. That is where you're going to see all of our projects using the new release product. And also what makes today special too is that Pajama Crafters is spotlighting me as a video team member. And so if you use my code Tiffany10 between May 15th and May 17th of 26, then you will get a discount on your order. So I hope to see you all joining in over on the Instagram hop. Is going to be really fun and inspiring. And I hope that you enjoy the video and like seeing how my husband creates and I create all together. So it's a fun project, a fun process. I do have some other ideas. He and I have some other ideas for some other stamp sets. So hopefully that'll happen in the future. But if you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!